In this video, we're going to talk about polar coordinates. Polar coordinates have the ordered pair r theta, where r is the directed distance from the pole to the point, and theta is the directed angle from the polar axis to the ray OP. So here's a little sketch, and you can see we have this ray coming off of the axis, and r is the distance between O and P, so then point P is our r, comma theta, and theta is that angle from the axis to our ray. So to convert from rectangular coordinates to polar coordinates, you're given x comma y. So to find r, you take the square root of x squared plus y squared. And to find theta, you take the inverse tangent of y over x when x is greater than 0, and the inverse tangent of y over x, and then add pi when x is less than 0. Or instead of adding pi, you can add 180 degrees, depending if you want to answer in degrees or radians. So let's do an example. So we're given the rectangular coordinates 7, 10, and we want to convert them to polar coordinates. So we want to convert them to r theta. So let's first start by finding out what x and y is. So if this is our ordered pair, we know that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 10. So to find r, we take the square root of x squared plus y squared, which is the square root of 7 squared plus 10 squared, which simplifies to the square root of 49 plus 100, or the square root of 149, which is approximately 12.21. Now to find theta, we use theta is equal to inverse tangent of y over x, because our x is greater than 0, because it's 7. So plugging in our values, we have the inverse tangent of 10 over 7, and when you put this in your calculator, and I have my calculator in radian mode, I get 0.96. So our polar coordinate is 12.21, comma 0.96. So that is what the rectangular coordinate 7, 10 is in polar coordinates.